Hey guys, so if you want to actually learn how to build an investment website in 2026 and earn globally, so this is the video you must definitely watch. Okay, so this video I'll introduce you to this investment, copy trading, stock trading websites and platform, which has been beautifully designed. Everything has been set. Just watch closely while I take you around each and every feature of this platform. So this is the home page. You can see the list of plans. So we are going down now to see the other sections of it. So on this platform, you can be able to create an account. You go to the sign up, you create an account. So we are going to do that right now so that we can access the user dashboard. Okay. So now let's register an account. I'll choose a username of user234. Full name will just be, let's say, we test. Email address will be this. And I'll put a phone number of this. This is just a test account. I'll put my password. Then I'll select the country. So right now there's no referral ID, so I'll leave that blank. And now say this security question. What is 9 plus 1, which is 10? Then I'll create account. So you can see now my registration took me to dashboard. It says registration successful. Welcome to your dashboard. So this is how dashboard looks like. This is the desktop view of the dashboard. Now I'm going to show the mobile view. The mobile view of the dashboard looks like this. Looks like this. So this is the mobile view. This is how the mobile view looks like. Okay, see that now. All right, so let's continue. So what I'm going to do next is to verify my identity. You can look at the button here. I just need to click on verify identity. So this has to do with the KYC form, the know your customer form. So I'm going to come here now and put my email, sorry, put my full name, sorry, first name. Like I said, this is just a test account. I'll put the email address here, put the phone number, let's leave it at this. Then I'll come down here. Then I'll just put anything here. So address line, I just put this. This just a default account, so let's just leave it at this. So I'll select the document type. So I'll select national ID. I'll come here to upload the front side of the ID. So I'm just going to upload a random image. Just going to upload a random image. Then I'll come here again to select the back ID, which is still going to be a random image. So I'll tick this, all the informations I have entered is correct. Then I'll select or I'll click on submit application. Okay. So it's loading now. Now this is the success message. It says action successful. Please wait while we verify your application. You'll receive an email regarding the status of your application. So let's come down here now. This is the email address I received when I created the account. You can see welcome to Gridpro. So this is the email address users will receive when they open an account or when they create an account. So now I'll go to the admin. This is the admin login page. I'll go to the admin to actually verify that user KYC. I'll log into the admin now. So the admin dashboard is logging in, loading. Okay, this is the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard. You can see the various sidebars. So where you can get the KYC application is this place here. You can see that KYC applications. So I'll click on it, allow you to open. You can see the username just now, which is under review. I'll click on view application, and then you see the entire details submitted by the user. You see the entire details submitted by the user. So when you go up, you see this action button here. Click on the action button. You can see verify, accept and verify user, or reject and remain unverified. So right now I am going to accept and verify this user. If you want to, if you don't want to accept, you want to reject, just select the second one. Now this is the reason why I am accepting, or this is the reason why I am rejecting. So the email subject is going to be KYC verification or any other thing you think you can use there. Then you are just going to click on confirm. Click on confirm. So by the time you click on confirm, this user KYC will be accepted or will be rejected according to which one you actually want to select. Okay. So our email will arrive soon. You can see that KYC verification. Our email just what arrived. I'll come to the user dashboard again, and I'll go to the dashboard page. You will see that the account will be verified. Just hold on a minute. Let me show it to you. Okay. Now you can see what's verified. Okay, you can see what's verified. This is totally what's amazing. So the next thing, now you can see my net portfolio balance is showing me zero. So I can't actually carry out any action with zero balance. So what I'm going to do now is to deposit into the account, and I'm just going to click on deposits, which is right here. Yeah, which is right here. You are still going to see the deposits and when you are on the mobile view. So right now I'm just going to click on deposits, which is this. So yeah, this is the deposit page. You can see this is the deposit page. We have numerous and a lot of deposit method. You can actually set all these from the admin side. When you go to settings, go to payment settings in the admin. So you're going to see the place you can set all the all the deposit methods. So you can see them now. This is where you set the deposit methods. You can see them. Yeah, you can add more to it by just clicking add. You can edit any of these ones here. You can make them active, make them enabled, make them not disabled. So we are just going to select one now and use. So I will come down here to select this. I'll select this. Okay, let me select this. I'll select this now. Now I have selected it. You can see sources. I am going to deposit this amount, and then I am going to click on complete deposit. So it took me to this page here. This is the payment page. You get it now. You can actually still be able to set all these from this payment side in the admin. Okay, so now I am just going to upload a proof of payment, just a random image, random upload, because this is actually just a test account. Then I will click on submit um, payments. Click on submit payments. Now you see success account funded successfully. Please wait for system to validate this what transaction. You still get what the email. You still get what the email. So I'm going to go to the admin and then go to manage deposits. So this is where you see all the user entire deposits. So click on manage deposit now, and I'll see that deposit which was done. Look at it here, and you can see pending. So right now I'm just going to click on process. When I click on process, the user will be credited. So let's go back again. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. Okay. Now you can see the account has been what credited. Okay. So the first action we are going to take right now is to actually copy an expert trader, just like we are seeing here right here. Look at it here. We're going to copy an expert trader now. So let's just come down here and say I want to copy this particular one, James. Okay, let's copy James now. I'll copy James. So you can see where you say automated profit distribution, expert trader return and are calculated and distributed automatically. Performance history is based on what real-time market execution. Okay, so you can see what expert traders. Now you can see all expert traders here. You can see them now. You can see them. You can see them now. So I am just going to copy this particular one, Jace Adamson. You can see the statistics of this particular trader. You can see the minimum. You can see the maximum. So now you can see just copy this trader. Now say copy trader. I am going to use 2000 to copy. I'm going to use 2000 to copy, and then I will click on confirm and copy. Click on confirm and copy. You can see the notification here that says successfully subscribe to expert watch trader. You can see now I can still be able to cancel my subscription. You can see the expert trading we end in what 70 hours from now. You can see that. So I can view other traders here. So the next action we are going to take is to pick up an investment plan to invest on a plan. So I just click on the investment plans now, which will show us the entire plan on this particular platform. Okay, so the first one here is the children's scholarship plan. The page is still loading. Page is still loading. The children's scholarship plan. You can see the fees plan, standard plan, basic plan. Each has different amounts, minimum and maximum amount. So I'm going to select the basic plan. I'll select the basic plan. Okay, the page is still loading. So now we are going to select a plan, which is what the basic. I'm going to select this basic plan now. So you can see the basic plan has been selected. I'm going to put the amounts. You can see minimum 200, maximum 20,000. So I'm going to put in 5, or let's say 2,000. Okay. So now we see my estimated returns here. The summary, investment summary here too. So now I'm going to confirm and invest. So now you can see it says, well, you have successfully purchased the plan and your plan is now what active. So I can go to active investment to see them. So now I'll go to active investments to see the list of my active plans. So the page is loading. So you can see now, you can see it. You can view details for this particular plan. You can view the details here. You can see view details. So you can see now, you see it right here. Now you can see the entire details here. You can see the entire details here. Okay, so let's now come down here to see how the stock market actually works. Okay, so now we come to stock market. I'll click on stock market, which is on the menu. It takes me to the stock trading page. To the stock trading. No, I told you this website has a lot of features. Okay, so it takes me to the stock trading page. Yeah, this is the stock trading page, as you can see. So I can trade on any of these stocks right here. I can trade on any of these stocks right here. So I will select Amazon, which is this. I'll select Amazon. I'll select Amazon. So I want to trade on Amazon now. Okay, the page is loading. So this is stock trading page, and this is what Amazon. You can see it now. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I can be able to add it to watch list. I can trade and buy or sell. So I can just put a quality of let's say one of the shares. Okay, look at it. I'll just put say, or let me put it at 10. Let's say I want to buy 10 of these shares, 10 of these shares. So now this is the amount it is going to cost. This amount is going to cost. So I will come here to click on buy AMZN, which is what Amazon. So you can see this. It says what confirm buy order. I'm going to confirm buy. So my purchase is loading now. So you see, successfully bought 10 shares of Amazon at, oh sorry, 4. You can see that. See that. Okay, so that's for stock trading. That's for stock trading. So the next feature I am going to show you now is the crypto trading feature. So as you can see right now, this is the crypto trading page. You trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other cryptocurrency. You can check your portfolio. You can check your order. You can see the various statistics. Yeah. So let's scroll down now. Let's see what we can actually trade on. You can see that. You can see. So right now I am going to select what am I going to trade on now? Let's trade on BNB. Yeah, let's trade on BNB. So this is it now. I'm just going to select, look at BNB here. I'm just going to select trade here on BNB. Select trade on BNB. So I'll select it now. You see that? So this is the trade page. This is where I'll place order for this trade. I can buy, I can sell. The BNB chart is loading. So right now I'm just going to come here and choose I'll choose markets, the order type. So you can see that stop order of market. So let's just leave it at this. Quantity I want to trade with, let's say, or let's say 2.000. So this is the quantity. Now this is the total amount. So I'll just come here to buy BNB. Just come here to buy BNB. So now I'm just going to confirm buy. I'll just confirm buy. I'll click on confirm buy. So now you can see buy order executed successfully. Okay, so this is how the buy trade was. You can see the recent market trades here. All right. So the next feature I would like to show you now is the bot trading. All right. So there's actually a bot trading on this platform. You can see it now. So this is the bot trading page. Now you can see what I'll just do now is to click on subscribe on any of these bots. You can see the bot now. So I'm just going to click on subscribe on this particular one. This one that I say crypto scalper. So I'm just going to click on subscribe, or you can pick any other one there. So I'll select this first one there. I'll select this one. Select it. So this is the bot subscription page. You can see the various metrics, performance metrics for this particular bot. So you can see the minimum, the maximum, and then recent trade. So all I'm just going to do is to come down here. You can click on investment amount here. Look at it here, this place now. Here is where you subscribe to the bots. So you put in the amount, you select the direction. Okay, so now I'm going to type in my amounts. Yeah, type in my amounts now. I'll say 150, 150. So I'm investing 150. So now duration is going to be 5 days. So you can put 1 day, you can put 2 days. So let's just select 2 days. Then I'll click on subscribe. So when I click on subscribe, you see it's loading now. It's loading. And then you can see the success message that say successfully subscribed to Crypto Skipper Elite. So this is how the bot subscription works, right? So you can see how it is now. These are the various subscriptions. You can see my bot what subscriptions. So this is how it works. So the last feature I'm going to show you is the crypto staking feature. Crypto staking feature. So let's click on crypto staking. You can see it right here. You can see right now. So it is reloading to the crypto staking page now. Now this is the crypto staking page. You can stake on any of these crypto BTC, Advance, Solana. So you can see them right now. You can see the various um, details about it, their metrics and all that. You can see it there. So I'm just going to stake on Advance. I will click on view details and stake. So you direct me to the staking page, the crypto staking page. Okay, so now it is loading. Okay, now you can see this entire metrics. You can see it now. You can see that. You can see them. I'm just going to come here and put in the amounts I want to stake. So let's say I want to stake in 5,000, 5,000. I can see enable auto compound. It means that automatically stake my reward right there. So now I'm going to stake now. I'm going to stake now. So you can see confirm stake. Now click yes, stake now. So it's currently processing. So my stake has been added. So you can see that now. So you can see. So this is how the entire platform actually works. So I have been able to show you that and also convince you that this website is fully packed with a lot of top great crypto futures. Okay, so what I'll do now, let's go to the admin and see how all these features are being managed. So I've showed you the deposit before. You can see the dashboard. On the dashboard in the admin, you get to see the various statistics. You can see now. See the various under investments, you get to set investment plans, see active investments, create new investment plan. Under users, you get to see the list of users. See now you can manage users too. You can manage users. You can click on manage. We click on manage. You get to see this page. You can click on this action here to see the other actions here. You can see that you can edit the user, send the user a mail, clear the user account, notify the user dashboard. You can notify the user dashboard like you put um, a notification on the particular user dashboard. So let me show you that. So I will go to the account which I am currently logged in. It is this account. This account. So click on manage and then come there and say notify user dashboard. Say hi, this is just a test notification. So let's click on notify user dashboard now. You can see now. So I'll go back to the dashboard. I'll click on portfolio overview. Click on portfolio overview. And now you can see the notification the admin sent to this particular user. You see that right now? You see that? All right. So the other features is this. You can manage deposits, you can manage withdrawal, you can send all the users an email, you can approve KYC, see KYC applications. I've showed you that before. So this is where you can send users a mail. You can set your copy trading here, see expert traders and create a new trader. You can see the bots trading here, see all the trading bots, create new trading bots. That's for crypto trading too, crypto staking, stock trading, crypto trading. And you can manage accounts. You can do your website settings here and do your website settings. And when you come down here, you see about scripts. You can click on about script to see how the various feature actually works. All right. So actually from the admin, you can see the various features how it actually works. You can see that now how the various feature works. So you see that. All right. Good. So now let me show you how you can be able to set up this kind of websites for yourself or for your clients. No easy, it's very easy and then no complex steps, not a complex procedure. So just follow me. So to be able to set up this kind of website for yourself or for your client, you need to first of all have your domain name. First of all, have your hosting. So I have my hosting already. This is my cPanel login. I'll click on login to log into my cPanel. And when I log into my cPanel, it's going to direct me to this home page. You can see this tools page. All I need to do is to scroll down to file manager. So file manager, I'll click on file manager. Okay. So for you guys, you will need to upload under public underscore HTML or using a subdomain name, public underscore HTML using a subdomain name. So for me, I don't want to upload under public HTML. I have an add-on domain here which I'm going to use, which is this. So I'm just going to remove this. But in your own case, your own case, you are going to see this place empty. So now let's upload. You're going to click on upload here. Click on upload, you select your file. The file is this. So to get this file, all you have to do is just contact me under my contact details on this video description. You can send me a message. Okay, so I'll click on open. Now you can see it is what uploading. We are just going to wait for it to finish uploading. By the time it gets to 100 and you can see the green color, you just know that the file has been uploaded. So let's just wait for it to finish uploading. Okay, now the file has been uploaded. You can see this now. So what next? We are going to go back to our file manager and then we'll reload. So we click on reload. So wait for it to reload. We get this zip file. So then I will right click. I will right click and I will extract. So click on extract files. Now the files are extracting. As you can see, the files are extracting. So you can see this now it has been extracted. I'll click on close. I'll click on close. Then you can delete this zip file. Yes, always delete the zip file. Always delete it. You go into this folder now. You see this particular Gridpro zip file. So you extract this one. Extract this one. So it's extracting now. So then I'm going to click on close. I'll reload, and then I will have this folder. So now you can see that I'll select all. First of all, I have this, so I will select all. I will move it to the directory which I want it to be, which is this domain directory now. So you can see now, see that. So I will go into this folder, this particular one. So don't forget to delete this zip file. Delete it. I'm going to this particular one now. We move again and make it be inside the directory I want it to be. Okay, so you can see that. I'll click on move files. Okay, so if you want to get more details about the various features like bots, the copy trading, staking, you can edit these files. So okay, so what you're gonna do is this. If you know that you cannot see, if you say that you can't see HTSS file, index HTSS file, .env file, come to your settings here. Come to your settings here. Tick show hidden files. Tick it. Show hidden files. If you see that you can't still see it, go into the folder which you move everything from. Go into the folder and see it now. You see them now. So you have to what? Move them. You have to move them. So you move them. Okay. So now we have all the files exactly where we want them to be. So you come and edit this .env file. So this is where I am going to set my database. So I'm going to go to tools page again. I'm going to go to database wizard, which is this MySQL database wizard. I'll click on it. I'll set my database to be test. No, we are just doing a test. So I'll click on test. Sorry, click on next step. So now my database has been created. Database name or copy. I'll paste it in database. Got a DB database. I'll come here again. I'll put my password to be this. Okay, just because it's test, let me just make my password to be this. So you are going to see now, generate a password. Click on this, then it's what you use what password. Okay, so then you paste the password here. Then create user. Click on create user. Then copy the username which was created. Copy the username which was created. Then click on save. Go back again, finish up these processes. Finish up these processes. Good, good. You can see that now. All right. So don't forget to make your website link to be the app URL. Always do that. Then change this place to your site name. Then what you save. All right. So you go back again, search for PHP search for PHP. So let it load. As it's loading, I'm going to show you something. You see this installation guide or test, we edit it. So we also give you more insight about the entire installation. Also give you more insight about the entire installation. See now. All right. So let's come. So you come here now, go to tests. Then let's go to SQL folder. You can see now I have the SQL file. I'll import. This is the SQL file I just downloaded, and I'll click on open, and then I will import. So when you get this, just know that your SQL file has been imported. All right. So let's go to our installation guide, and you're gonna see something like this. You say what ensure PHP version is what greater than 8.1. So to check for your PHP version, go to your cPanel, search for multi PHP manager. Look at it here, multi PHP manager. Got it, multi PHP manager. So you click on it. So it's loading now. So you select the domain name, you scroll up here and select the PHP version, say greater than 8.1. So we're going to click on apply. You're going to click on apply. You see this now, which means the PHP version has been applied. So the next thing we are going to do is all these, we've done it, we've done all this, we've done all this. So we're going to check for our website now and see if it's what's working. So we're going to check for our website if it's what's working. Oops, it said 8.2. Okay, 8.2. So I'll need to increase it to 8.2, which I've done. And now I'm going to reload. I am going to reload. So it's working now. So I can see now the site is what is working. So the next thing we are going to do is go into the admin. We are going to go into the admin. So this is how you get your admin details. This is where you get your admin details. So look at it here. This is the admin details here. Default admin. So it's going to be my domain name slash admin slash login. So I'm going to copy this. Let's copy this. So let's go to the admin. This is the admin. Now I'm going to log in with the default password and email, which is this. Okay. So default password and email. I'll put in the password. I will select sign in. Now I am signed in. So it's to now do the settings. So I'll click on setting. Click on setting. I'll go to app settings. So go to website information. This way you're going to fill in your website information like your website name, your website link, and every other information. You upload your logo, you click on what updates. Under preference, you're going to set your mail and other actions just to enable and disable some features. See down right there, you click on what you save. So under the email and Google login capture, this is where you set your what email. So you can choose to set up the MSNCP. Then you go to your tools again, tools page in cPanel. Here you are going to get email accounts. So look at your email account. You're going to get email account. So if you have email before, you can just use the ones you have, or you can come here to click on create. So from create here, you can create a new email. Create a new email. You create a new email, create what a password. So for me, I'm just going to use the email which I have created before. I'm just going to use the email I created before. So which is this just for testing. So you put in the email which you created here. So put your site name there. For the host be my domain name, except your hosting says otherwise. Put in the email here, which is what this is the email which you created, the username, SMTP 465 for if you're going to use SSL, and then this is the password. All right. So then I'll click on what save. Okay. So that's it. So the next setup I'm going to show you is the cron job setup. All right. So go to your tools again, your cPanel, or you can just search for Chrome. So let's just allow it to load. Search for Chrome. Search for cron jobs. Okay, now cron jobs. I'll click on it. Then let's get the command. Let's get the cron job command. Okay, so in this installation guide, we have the cron job command. Look at it here. So let's just scroll slowly. All right. So you see automated what tasks, ROI processing, crypto prices, copy trading, bot trading. Now you can see, log into your cPanel, go to cron jobs, under new cron job. Okay. So you're going to go to new, add new cron job here. Okay. So now you see this command. So there are different what methods. You can use this one. You can use this one as your, look at it here, every what 1 minute. So he said if widget doesn't work, you use this one, or for method 3 you can use what coil, using what you can see down. So let us use this. So you can choose to use any of them. Let's use this, and we're going to set 5 minutes. We're going to select once per 5 minutes. I'll come here and paste the command. So I'm going to copy my domain name now. This is my domain name. I'm going to remove this, paste this, and then I'm going to add new cron job. So you can see that now. Then that's it. So you can see, you can read all this for the setup. All right. So this is how you set up this kind of websites for yourself or for your clients. Okay. So there are many more amazing videos on in my channel and many more to come. Thank you very much for watching.